This match begins in 3, 2, 1, go!
Welcome back to Reefscape here at MROC. Checking out the Auton on the Red Alliance. Two robots raised up high, 65-74. That's Ferrodermis for the Red Alliance, picking up that Auton Coral. 2 out of 3 robots on the Red Alliance do leave that Auton line, but it looks like no RP so far here in match 1. Auton over, Teleop begins. First robot to a loading station. Picking up some coral is Round Table Robotics. We are RTR, 1792 from Oak Creek, Wisconsin. Their first drop falls a little bit short down to the playing field floor. Checking out score so far, Red Alliance advantage. It is 20-6, all thanks to that coral that got placed in Auton, thanks to Ferrodermis. First algae on the move in this match is blue. That's coming from newer Apple Core Robotics. They line up right in front of the Blue Alliance net. It looks like that robot might have to launch. I don't see an extension on that arm, so we'll see if they'll be able to get the velocity they need out of those wheels to get that algae up to the Blue Alliance net. Minute and a half remaining in this match. Interesting configuration for that Blue Alliance barge zone. We do see one of those cages in that high position, worth fewer points in the endgame, but is a little bit easier for robots to cross through their barge zone, possibly to play some defense on the opposite side of the field. More algae on the move coming from newer Apple Core, while their alliance partner Walnuts and Bolts scores on L4 for the Blue Alliance up on that top coral. Other member of the Blue Alliance, Teutonic Force, hanging out in their loading station. Coral tumbles to the playing field floor. Human player making sure they can line up perfectly to get that coral into the compliant wheel intake of the Teutonic Force. Under 1 minute of match play remaining now, Red Alliance leads 56-18. Over on the red side of the field, it does look like a little bit of trouble for Ferrodermis. Ferrodermis has their arm extended up high, but they might be wedged up against one of the branches of that reef. Their alliance partner, RTR, looks for some coral of their own and gives a nudge now to their alliance partner. Ferrodermis still a little bit stuck while Hextra Hounds try to intake some algae and drop off some coral onto the red reef. That sonar ping sounds. Final 20 seconds of the match now underway. Still a Red Alliance lead, but with 12 points per deep cage climb, we could possibly see a bit of a swing, and newer Apple Core now get that algae launch up into the blue net in the final 3, 2, 1.
Is it possible to switch the